Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacks with Christina. Removal of soap scum and hard water stains on shower glass can be one of the toughest jobs. But today I'm going to show you a solution that will remove soap scum and hard water stains with very little scrubbing. Your shower is going to shine and you will be so happy you came across this miracle shower cleaner. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of liquid dish soap and 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. You may adjust the measurements according to how much glass you need to clean. Mix the solution and apply it directly on the glass using a non-scratch sponge. My sponge did not have a non-scratch side to it, so I also grabbed a non-scratch scour pad. Generously apply the solution to the glass, scrubbing the glass very gently. Let the solution sit on the glass for 15 minutes. Since I had extra cleaner, I also applied it to my tile walls. Once the 15 minutes is up, rinse off the solution with water and squeegee the excess water away. The glass comes out beautifully clear with no traces of soap scum or hard water stains. The tile is also extremely clean with no more built-up scum. I hope you enjoyed this miracle shower cleaner. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!